Thank you, Swati, and very good afternoon to all the participants of today's workshop. I will just take you through what government has done, what my Department of Justice has initiative has taken regarding the Access to Justice program. I will ask my team to, yeah, this is the presentation I'm going to run through. The recent speakers have highlighted multi-dimensional and multi-solution approach towards the various problems which are being faced in the country. The Access to Justice program of Department of Justice and the Disha scheme, which has been envisaged from 2021 to 2026. Next slide, please. The program is the scheme designing innovative solution for holistic access to justice has this key objective of ensuring sabka nyaya. We are implementing this scheme from 2021 to 2026 as has been approved by Ministry of Finance with an approved outlay of 250 crores. As has already been informed by previous speakers and including Secretary Justice that here the key objectives are promoting tele-law program, Nyaya Bandhu, which is pro bono legal aid, Nyaya Mitra, and of course pan-India legal literacy and awareness, with the aim of having a dedicated information, education, and communication initiatives. Next, please. See, we have this aim of expansion of tele-law in 2.5 lakh gram panchayats through the common service centers. We also aim to have integrate tele-law and Nyaya Bandhu, convergence of Nyaya Bandhu with NALSA. As has been spoken by Mr. Abhay Jain that the legal aid clinics need to be established in law colleges. So we have launched our pro bono club scheme wherein we are collaborating with the law colleges. What happened? We are also setting up pro bono panels in high courts. I will explain it to you in the coming slides. And of course, Nyaya Mitra are our retired judicial officers who are there in the courts for helping in disposal of the pending court cases. Next, please. With respect to legal empowerment and creating legal literacy and legal awareness program, we started with our specific interventions in the northeastern and Jammu and Kashmir state, erstwhile Jammu and Kashmir, in 2012 with a program called Legal Literacy and Legal Awareness. And under Disha, we are expanding it to pan-India level. And we also envisage to have partnerships with institutions like what we are doing today in brainstorming session. You won't intend to use ICT. We are collaborating with other ministry and departments who are having their grassroots volunteers to promote and implement their schemes. And of course, we want to have a periodic evaluation to finalize to find out what improvements are required in our initiative. Next, please. Now I will focus on tele-law. Next slide, please. See, the tele-law program as such, it connects the beneficiaries to panel lawyers. We have a panel of lawyers via telephone and video conference facilities, which are available at the It started as a pilot in 2017 with mere 1800 common service centers in 170 districts in the country. And we are now covering 75,000 common service centers in all the states and UTs in 669 districts. And so far, the figures are, we have almost completed 16.34 lakh advice enabled till date. And Telelaw is also available on the Prayas portal of PMO for monthly updated figures are available over there. And we have a dashboard for real-time monitoring also of these cases. The benefits which have been given through telelaw, we can see over here that the women constitute the major beneficiaries of our telelaw with 31.31%, and other category wise also the beneficiaries have been shown here. The section 12 category beneficiaries under the Legal Services Act are getting these services free of cost, and for others we are only charging a marginal fee of rupees 30 per case. Next, please. What has been spoken earlier, that majority of the cases which are there in the courts are entitlement related. So are the facts of telelaw also. As we can see that out of almost 15 lakh cases, 10.9 lakh cases which where advice has been enabled under telelaw pertain to entitlement related. And Down the line, there are cases under family disputes, criminal matters, land disputes, and during COVID times also we have found that services related to COVID have also been faced by the people. Problem faced by the people have been reported to Telelaw, and they have received guidance from our panel lawyers on such matters also. Almost 3,246 cases have been related to COVID. And next, please. So, to popularize our program and to bring it more closer to the masses, what has been done by the department till now is that during July 2021, we have released a special postal cover. We are bringing up the voices of beneficiaries, which contains the success stories, the benefits which have been accrued to the beneficiaries under different categories. So we have till now released 3 editions of our voices of beneficiaries. The common service centers which are providing the telelaw services, 75,000 centers in the country as of now, are re-christianed as Kanuni Salah Sahayak Kendra. We have developed a banner which is being displayed over these CSCs. Then we have also launched special campaigns during last year, wherein we have done a login day. Login day is that during that particular day, all the common service centers which are providing telelaw continue to provide these services, and they also create awareness about telelaw prior to this particular day on which this activity is held. And on a particular day wherein login day was organized, 7,000 instances of advices have been enabled during this period. To incentivize the grassroots functionaries of telelaw, which includes the paralegal volunteers, the village level entrepreneurs, and of course the panel lawyers who are giving services through telelaw, we have instituted awards on a monthly basis, and zonal wise the awards are being given. And the panel lawyers, the PLVs and the VLAs are also trained periodically, either through online or through offline. And during the last 2 years, the majority of trainings have been through online, and 300 online such training sessions have been completed, benefiting 14,600 of our functionaries. Under the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav program, specific intervention under telelaw included a login week campaign, which was launched from 8th to 15th November 2021, which has wherein 52,000 participants and benefited on 17,000 advice were enabled. We also launched Telelaw on Wheels campaign in 16 states from 8th to 14th of November, which had the figures of 44,370 plus awareness sessions and benefiting 14,781. Another Telelaw on Wheel campaign was conducted from 22nd to 25th February, 700 awareness session, 28,000 plus people reached. A mega event was organized on 13th November 2021, wherein we had 65,000 plus participants in person and connected virtually. During this event, which was held on 8th of 13th of November 2021, we had launched our Telelaw Citizen mobile app. On that particular day, we had these functionaries from 6 zones were felicitated, and a plethora of IEC related materials were released, which included a brochure, a telelaw film in black and white storyboard, and of course, the footprints of telelaw depicting the journey of telelaw till now. We have a new telelaw mascot, which you can see on the screen, and also a new telelaw logo was released. All these films and details are also available on our telelaw portal. And what we have in store is that we will be reaching almost 2.5 lakh gram panchayats by 2026, and with the aim to cover more than 90 lakh beneficiaries for pre-litigation advice. These are some features of our Telelaw Citizens mobile app. Beneficiaries can book their appointment, can download the app, book their appointment, and can directly connect to the panel lawyer based on their choice. The app provides consultation free of cost. There is also a separate app for the advocates to register themselves as panel lawyer. The app is available in 6 languages on both Google Play Store and Apple App Store. And the e-tutorial on mobile app is also available on our portal. It has a chatbot and feedback facility. And the promo video on Telelaw mobile app is been released, and it is also broadcast on Doordarshan channels during this month. Next, please. These are some of the snapshots of telelaw news which has appeared in newspapers, how it has benefited from a say rickshaw wala who was hit by a motorcycle, or and to many cases where people have approached telelaw panel lawyer and they have been advised to either do mediation or to approach court of law. And as you can see, it has been there in almost all the part of the country. Next, please. Next, I move on to Nyabandhu, which is our pro bono legal services. Next slide. Nyabandhu program also started in 2017, and it is first pro bono dispensation framework of the country. We have a mobile app and a web portal for interested pro bono law advocates to register as a pro bono advocate. So far, we have crossed 4,052 panel lawyers in our pro bono program. The pro bono club scheme, which I was talking about, how we are engaging with the law schools, has also been rolled out in 29 law schools till January, and we are now engaging 20 more law schools, and our aim is that every year we'll be adding 20 law schools, so it's to reach a figure of 100 by 2026. Another approach of propagating the program of pro bono legal services is by way of reaching out to the registrar generals of the high courts. Nyabandhu panel has been formed in till now in 14 high courts, and they have helped in enrolling 672 pro bono lawyers so far. Snapshots of how we are conducting outreach activities by visiting the law schools and interacting with the legal service authorities and our mobile app. And similarly, next slide please. This is how Nyabandhu has been, the news on Nyabandhu has been shared by the media, and our activities of launching of mobile app, and even President of India in his addresses has asked the lawyers to come up and do some pro bono services. Quotes from President of India is mentioned over here. So ultimately, what we have our aim under Disha for this 5-year target to reach 90 lakh plus advice enabled beneficiaries by 25-26, and to reach out to 11,000 pro bono lawyers under registration and 100 law schools by 2026. Next, please. We have another program. We can skip our Nyaya Mitra program, which is about engaging the retired judicial officers for solving our more than 15-year pending cases. Next, please. Pan India Legal Literacy Program is our initiative for engaging with agencies to state-wise for our creating awareness on legal matters, service-related matters. So far, the progress is quite heartening. We have engaged in almost 11 states till now, and the agencies have started working. Next slide, please. These are some details about the various activities under different states, wherein Arunachal Pradesh SLSA is conducting training of Gambudas and Gaubudis. In Sikkim, we have collaborated with the State Commission for Women, Jenims in Manipur, and in Rajasthan, we have collaborated with Sikudicon, wherein they are engaging with the committee members, including the old age persons, and giving them training about the legal awareness program. And NLIU Bhopal is creating content for digital content for being utilized by the various agencies who are collaborating with us. Next slide. Under the interministerial collaboration, we are engaging with Ministry of Panchayat Raj, and they are developing short films on legal literacy. School Education has uploaded our content on their Diksha web portal. We are engaging with Skill Development and Entrepreneurship Ministry for introduction of a legal literacy short-term certificate course, and with Women and Child Development for Ministry for capacity building of field level functionaries. Department of Justice and the Access to Justice Division in particular is also conducting regular monthly webinars on various topics related to creating awareness, and so far we have done 6 webinars till now on various topics as mentioned above, and that has reached out to nearly 1.6 lakh participants. That is all I want to share about National Legal Service Authority. I will skip over right now because we are focusing on Disha perspective. So this is all what has been done by Department of Justice till now, and we hope that whatever has been approached by the Access to Justice Division till now, with the support and the efforts of all put together, all of us which we are deliberating till now, we'll find some more solutions on how under the Disha program we can reach out to people which is the need of the hour. Thank you so much.